Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm Chris Wall.
And I'm Sydney Fletcher.
This week, we will teach you a simple habit you can use to increase your nutrient and mineral intake, as well as reduce your stress in your body.
Traditional desserts such as candy, cookies, and cake are high in empty calories, often highly processed, and in most cases, more stressful to the body than beneficial.
Substituting refined and sugary desserts for fresh fruit is one simple habit that can create big changes in your health.
Fresh fruit will provide your body with essential nutrients and minerals it needs to carry out its many biochemical reactions, as well as provide your body with useful energy. Be sure to check out the Replace Dessert with Fresh Fruit, Mango Sorbet, Berry Sorbet, and Chocolate Pudding videos on the Wellness platform. We are looking forward to being with you on this journey, and as a reminder, feel free to schedule a coaching session with us if you need any help.
Another habit for increasing your vegetable, fruit, and water intake is replacing dessert with fresh fruit. First, let's be absolutely clear. Eating dessert is not unhealthy. There's nothing sustainable about always restricting or depriving yourself of your favorite foods. But where the problem arises is when we get in a habit of eating desserts that weigh us down versus build us up. Most traditional desserts create stress in the body due to the amount of refined sugar, chemical additives, and high amount of calories that must be processed in a physical state where you're already full from dinner. Long term, this can lead to an increased risk for weight gain, diabetes, tooth cavities, and heart disease. So the fix is simple. If you're already in the habit of eating dessert, let's replace a more traditional dessert with eating fruit. That way you get the sweet fix to satisfy your cravings while also increasing your vitamin, mineral, and fiber intake, and minimizing any extra calories you may be consuming. Now, in the lessons below, I have some fun treats to share with you that make this habit really fun. So in summary, if you are feeling like you are eating too much sugar after dinner from desserts and want to increase your overall nutritional value and need to cut back on the sweets, you might want to consider replacing your desserts with this habit.